What's going on, guys? It is P from Red Star Science, birthday edition. So, happy birthday to me. Sorry it's been a minute, guys. I've got a lot going on. I have a lot of good shit to talk about. Just so that you guys know, I am still doing the Antarctica deal. We had to push it back a little bit because I'm going to be going to Egypt in the next 2 or 3 months. We're trying to plan it out, trying to do a lot of things, itinerary and all this kind of stuff. I have specific research that I'll talk about a little bit later on, but I'll keep you guys updated on that and let you know what's what, because it's difficult getting around nowadays. So one of the things and I have a lot to talk about, okay, but one of the things that I want to start with is a deal with, I don't know if you guys know this, I don't know if I told you guys before, I'm writing a book and it's called The Integration of Species. And the thing is, like I said, aliens might exist, they might not exist, whatever, all that good shit. Like I said, good science is asking the right questions and checking up on the right things. So with that being said, if there are multiple intelligent species, then we need to have a foundation for that. And that's one of the things that I've been working on. So I've been writing this book for about the past 2 years now. And again, it's called The Integration of Species. And I think you guys really like it. And one of the things that I talk about in this book is that some species, they come out a whole lot more prepared than others. And what I mean by this is that, like insects have a DNA intelligent map, which means when they come out, their DNA explains to them what they need to do, so they have a learning curve that's cut down substantially. Some species, like humans, no, it takes a lifetime. Sometimes it would take more than multiple lifetimes for humans to catch up. So one of the things that I was thinking about was that higher evolutionized species might have a blank port. And what I mean by a blank port is that they have a way to install, from the beginning of life for their species, install speech, motor skills, socialization, psychological skills, things that would give them an edge up, and they would cut 10 to 20, sometimes 45 years off whatever species that might be. And that's an interesting topic, because the thing is, we found out in humans there's a blank spot in the human brain that allows for upgrades. Now, my degrees aren't in biology. You know, I've studied biology, but I don't have degrees in it, so I can't sit here and tell you for sure what's what. But the way that I understand it is that the human brain has USB ports, per se, that can be upgraded. And a lot of times, these ports, they get, they get misconstrued as certain types of autism. And it's not autism. That is human evolution. What happens is the brain dumps certain other functions to pick up on higher functions. And that's what a lot of time that you see people or children with autism, they're super, super smart in one particular thing. That is the brain picking up and filling that slot with something. And again, I believe that is the next generation of Homo sapiens sapien. But, like I said, the science is asking questions and trying to find out. So this blank port is something that I've been thinking that maybe higher species might be born with. And it could be, like I said, included as they're born. That, again, it would shave off multiple years off development. That way, when a being on that species is born, what they need to do and figure out is what they would like to do, what would accommodate them and their society to make them productive. Okay, so again, insects, they know what to do. A lot of animals, they know what to do. They come out, they know how to protect themselves. It's instinctual. It's like blood memory. Okay, we don't really have that per se. I mean, we have a lot, but we don't have that per se. But it's an interesting topic. And again, I'm going to cover that in my new book, Integration of Species. But just wanted to put that out there. I want to say, hey, everybody wish me happy birthday. Thank you. I appreciate it. Happy birthday, guys. Thank you for that. I got some new episodes coming up. I'm going to let you know about the Antarctica trip. Now I got to let you know about the Egyptian trip. You guys are going to get a kick out of this. I got some really good stuff. My itinerary is probably going to be Alexandria first. Okay, the Valley of the Kings, the Nile, Cairo, all the usual places.
but I have some very interesting research that I'm working on. So I'll get back to that and let you know what. Again, as I always say, guys, be safe, take care of each other. All right, love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. P, Red Star Science signing out.